in the middle of editing, but I just got a notification that my package has arrived and is sitting in the mailbox. We're gonna go ahead and grab it out. We're not gonna take the car today. We're gonna go ahead and ride the one wheel. I haven't been on it in a while, and pretty much gonna get my money's worth, you know. It's perfect for the neighborhood. Check out that sunset, that's pretty epic looking. They used to call that like God's fingers because the sunlight coming down, the little beams, looks like it could be God's fingers. What a nice night though. Just like that, we're there. Let me show you guys, this cuts through grass too. Pretty cool ride. Alright, so $180 later after shipping, our box is here. Let's go ahead and open it up because I want to show you guys what it is. I'm actually pretty happy about it. I don't know how to open these boxes, but you guys get the gist. Here is my Tactrix cable. Alright, so if you guys don't know what that is, this is an essential tool to help tune your car, and specifically for the Evo 10s and the Rally Arts, this is going to help us out a lot. So I know there are a lot of people out there that they find somebody locally that can help them out, tune anything, everything like that. But here in Florida, they're kind of far and few in between, so it's a good investment anyways to have. That way I can do more stuff down the road. It's always nice to have one on your hand. So we'll go ahead and open this and see what's inside. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this. This is a genuine Tactrix cable. This isn't bought off Amazon or anything, because there are a lot of cheap China ones that break. And I'll show you one way to make sure it is an authentic one. Okay, so within the box is really nothing too exciting besides a little cable that hooks up to your Tactrix, and then a little cable that goes towards your laptop for your tuning process, and a little card. Really nothing on here either. It's basically just telling you to head over to Tactrix.com for any information you guys may need. So there's that. And then here is the Tactrix portion yourself, the open port. So right here, as you guys can tell, there is a serial number down here. That's a good way to know if you have an authentic Tactrix, because all the knockoff brands, they'll have like a serial number of 1, 2, 3, 4, things of that nature. So that is a legit code. So I'm happy with that. All the pins look nice. Yeah, so all that's in the box is this Tactrix open port. This is the 2.0 version. The cable, which connects to this, and then connects to your laptop. That's basically all you really need. And how could I forget this little gem? I don't know, it's gonna be well worth representing, I think.